Day 63 of trading with a starting capital of €1,000. Yesterday I had a significant loss that brought my balance back below €7,000, so my main goal was to recover. Here's what happened today. I analyzed gold. The price had broken a strong upward channel that it had been moving in until recently. The moving averages were aligned in a way that indicated a potential further decline. During its latest rise, the price had reached the 0.50 Fibonacci level before dropping again. There was a high probability that the price would make a lower low, and there was an important support level along the way. I decided to trade. I placed the stop loss above the 50 moving average and the take profit a bit before the important support. For this trade, I decided to use 0.08 lots. I set the limits and entered the sell position. After that, I left the trade to develop. The price quickly moved against me and the trade was running at a negative. However, after some volatility, the price made a sharp drop and almost reached my take profit. Since I saw that the RSI had fallen very low, I decided to close the trade manually with a profit of €379. I continued the day by analyzing Nasdaq. The price had dropped to a strong support level. This aligned with the 0.618 Fibonacci level. On a closer look, a potential RSI divergence could be noticed and the MACD also provided confluence. I decided to trade. I placed the stop loss at the 0.786 Fibonacci level and the take profit below a potential resistance level. For this trade, I chose two lots. I set the limits and opened a buy position. The trade remained open over the weekend. On Monday morning, I reviewed the situation. The price had first moved sharply against me but did not reach the stop loss, and then it reversed in my direction. Since I noticed potential for a reversal, I closed the trade manually with a profit of €171, but there were also swap fees of over €29. The total result was a profit of €520. This was a growth of 7.4% and a final balance of €7,500.